Hi, Crompo.
And Jess here.
Meguiar's is world famous for car detailing products for fussy people who are proud of what they drive.
The shine you get with these specialised cleaners, polishers, waxes and premium accessories is legendary. For every surface on the car and even around the house, the results are stunning.
Naturally, we trust Meguiar's to look after our pride and joy. So today, we're here to talk about the latest and greatest from this iconic car enthusiast brand. Excellence and innovation has always been at the heart of Meguiar's, but these days it's the astounding ease of use that'll grab your attention first.
You won't believe products this easy to use can have such a high level of performance, and they smell great too, Crompo. So let's take a look at what's new from Meguiar's.
Hey, check this out. It's the Meguiar's Power Bucket. It's an incredibly handy 12-volt mobile washing solution. Now the main bucket's got a built-in pump that runs off your vehicle's power socket. You fill it up and you'll have pressurised water anywhere, anytime. And I reckon this would be perfect for all kinds of things. Caravans, boats, jet skis, dirt bikes, even the dog.
I think you're right, Crompo. How fantastic would it be for unit dwellers who don't have handy access to a tap? It'll also be super handy for rinsing off at the beach, and it is a must-have for campers. It's also extremely water smart. You can do a full suds and water wash with as little as 25 litres. Now that's not much water at all. I'd say less than the average shower. People in all those parts of Australia where water is scarce will really appreciate that.
What about when water restrictions are on? When washing your car with a hose is a no-no. You could use the power bucket, and how good is the 6-metre hose? It reaches all around the whole car, plus you can adjust the trigger nozzle to suit different jobs.
Now I just love how the whole kit packs up neat and tidy with room to spare for your washing gear. It really is the perfect mobile washing solution. That's another great Meguiar's new product we're sure you'll love.